Hello everyone and welcome back. Olivia with Olivias from Decor, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some more DIY Dollar Tree fall and Halloween decor crafts. This is another episode in my huge I Love Fall series. I love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you punch the bell and click all, it will update you every single time I post a new video. Plus, if you guys comment down below, it will enter you into my $100 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway. Now, don't forget to follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok. Without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting.
For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how to make a super easy Dollar Tree fall wall pocket. So take one of those larger, long Dollar Tree signs, and then I'm just using some of this Dollar Tree wallpaper. I'm going to measure the wallpaper for the top part of the sign. Using a pin, I'm just going to mark it out and cut it out, and then simply peel off that wallpaper. I love the new Dollar Tree peel and stick wallpaper. You're going to find it in the sticker kind of section along with the frames, and then I'm just going to easily, gently put it on the top part of my wall pocket, and then I'm going to take this dish towel and I'm going to hot glue the dish towel around the base of the sign, and that's going to create the spot that we're going to create the little wall pocket floral in. This is such an easy DIY, and you guys can pretty much use anything to do this with, even stuff you may already have on hand. So I'm going to add in some of the little Dollar Tree florals here. I chose some of the leaves and then some fall florals and some cute little sunflowers. I kind of want to make it have that just bright kitcheny vibe, and again, you guys can really use any dishcloth and any set of florals. Just customize it to match your decor. And here is how my wall pocket floral decor turned out. I'm now going to add this cute little Beyond Bless sign to the top of my floral wall pocket. I'm going to simply hot glue it to the top. This step is optional. You guys could always leave this off, but I think this would be super fun for a teacher classroom or a kitchen decor, or really any little spot in your home that you need a quick little fall decor piece. Now I'm going to make a super simple bow. You simply take your Dollar Tree ribbon and loop it over on itself. Make sure it's about the right size, and then I'm going to use this little Thankful Harvest ribbon from Dollar Tree. And what I want to do is create a 3-layered loopy bow. This is literally the easiest bow you guys are ever going to make. I'm going to add another little loop right here, trim it off, and just zip tie the entire thing together, and then hot glue it underneath your floral arrangement. You're going to want to arrange your loops just a bit. They seem kind of bunchy, but I'm telling you, trust the process. Then you're going to put hot glue your tails underneath it. And again, we're just using the Harvest Blessings ribbon, and then adding the little buffalo check plaid to the base of that. And boom, you guys have a super easy, fun little Dollar Tree wall pocket floral. I think this is fun and unique, and it's great for those spaces that are a little bit awkward. It'd be nice at an entryway door or a fall porch, especially if it's covered. Anyway, have fun with this, get creative, customize it to suit your fancy, and happy crafting. For this DIY, I want to show you guys how you can create a super amazing light up pumpkin topiary. So I'm going to take this $5 pumpkin from Walmart, and I cut the top out, and then I'm just going to take some little shish kebab sticks and use the shish kebab sticks to stick the Dollar Tree lights into this. This is going to be the base of our pumpkin topiary, and you guys could use maybe some type of little metal as well, kind of popped in, however you want to secure your lights on. But you don't really want to use hot glue on this part. The next thing I'm going to do is take this cute little pumpkin from Target Dollar Spot. I believe that's where it's from. And I'm going to take 2 bamboo skewers and skewer those into the base of the pumpkin, and then add this little Dollar Tree pumpkin to the top of this. You guys might hear my cat Tinky meowing in the background. I'm going to hot glue this to the top of this, and the little stem from the black pumpkin, save that because you're going to use that to reattach to the original little Dollar Tree pumpkin, and that's going to bring everything together. Now the next step is to add in some fall leaves if you want to, and I'm also going to put this on top of one of these Dollar Tree candle stand bases. Excuse all my mumbo jumbo in the background. It is full-blown fall crafting season, so you guys, I am crafting it up and it gets a little crazy in my studio, let me tell you. Comment below if you guys have the same thing going on in your crafting space, dining room, table, studio, wherever you craft at. It's always kind of crazy like mid-season. Next thing I'm going to do is just pop in some cute little Dollar Tree leaves into the base of it, kind of to cover up. There's a little bit of a gap where those lights are, and I just want to use a couple little larger sunflowers. You're still going to see the lights beneath it, but it's just again going to kind of fill in a little bit of that gap. You guys could also use a really cute bow, which I tried to begin with but didn't really feel like that's what was working for me. And you guys can make this spooky themed as well. Use some of those black or purple roses from Dollar Tree, really whatever suits your fancy. I'm still kind of in fall in my home, so I thought fall would be nice, and then I'll just pull those out and add in some little spooky goodies once it gets to be a little bit more Halloween season. Now, always remember with any of the crafts that you guys see that I'm working on, customize these to suit your home decor style and fancy. You could paint this, you could just make it whatever you love. I added a quick little gingham bow to the side, and I think it turned out super fabulous and so fun because it's glowing and light up. And I feel like fall is the perfect season to add tons of little glowy lights. Tonight, where I'm at, it got a little bit cooler and it's been thunderstorming all evening, so it definitely feels kind of fall-y. So here is how it turned out, fun and fabulous on a budget. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys some super easy little glam Dollar Tree fall decor. Okay, so from the Dollar Tree, I have 3 of these mirrors and this little art pin. It's a gold deco art pin. I ordered it off of Amazon. I believe they have it in the craft stores as well, but I'm just going to use it to rim the outside of these black mirrors just to kind of give them a little bit more of a glam effect. And you guys could even actually add glitter to these, which I definitely am probably going to do once the holidays roll around, but I just wanted to give them a little bit of a jazz up. So then the next thing I did, once I finished painting these in the gold trim, I flipped them over, and that gold paint dries super fast, and I'm just going to hot glue the back part to where it's making like a stand, and these are going to go in more of a girly space in my home. Now, Dollar Tree is carrying these super adorable sweater pumpkins. I have been dying to get my hands on these for a craft, and I'm finally getting to it. I'm going to use some hot glue, but you guys could also just use some regular Elmer's glue or even Mod Podge, and I'm going to add a generous layer of that's my dog Benji Bear, he's chasing the cat. I'm going to add a generous layer of glitter to the top of this sweater pumpkin and really jazzy glam it up. Now, you guys could do so many things to this. I love these jewels from totallydazzled.com, so I'm going to add a jewel to the top of this and make another one to match the other side. Another fun idea for creating glam pumpkins is to use some of those Dollar Tree pearls. For this one, I added a big dollop of hot glue, and then I'm just adding pearls to the top of this pumpkin. I feel like these are kind of like Cinderella pumpkins. They're so pretty and beautiful. I'm just adding some little pearls to this side. And again, I love getting those glam jewels from totallydazzled.com. Check out my friend Natalie's site. She has the prettiest little jewels that you guys can choose from, and she's a small business and absolutely wonderful. So again, I'm just adding in some cute little pearls, and then I'm going to make this kind of like a little decorative centerpiece. Here is how that turned out. You could even add glitter to the stem of this if you wanted. I love this Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes little sign from Dollar Tree, and then I added in just a flickering flameless candle. I love the flickering flameless candles. I have some linked in my Amazon store. I added in some more pretty pink velvet pumpkins just to kind of offset this. I put this on my desk. I kind of have like a glam desk in my crafting studio, and bam, there you have a super adorable, girly, fabulous little glam idea. You guys could always change this up with glitter of your choice and some of the different sweater pumpkins as well. And happy crafting! For this Dollar Tree DIY, let's make a super easy fall tiered tray. So from the Dollar Tree, I'm taking some of these cute little gray and white buffalo check plaid plates and this large candlestick. I'm going to hot glue the candlestick onto the first plate upside down. That'll give me more room to add some little goodies, some pumpkin and fall decor. And then I'm going to hot glue the top part of the candlestick and add the plate on top of that. You guys could always add in some E6000 glue. That's going to give it more of a permanent hold, but for this DIY, I felt like it would be fine with just the hot glue. But again, I do recommend the E6000 if you want a more permanent hold and you're going to be using this in a highly trafficked area or with heavier items. I'm also using this little bottle. For the life of me, I could not find my other candlestick, so a girl's got to improvise. And then I'm just going to hot glue this to the top of this, and again throw in some of that E6000 glue for a permanent hold. And then I'm adding this cute little enjoy the journey plate to the top. Bam, we're going to start loading up with autumn goodies. I use this little autumn wall pocket. These are all from the Dollar Tree. These cute little pumpkins, mini pumpkins, larger pumpkins, adding tons and tons of leaves. Let's get spicy and really jazz it up, fill it up. I feel like fall is the time for rustic and goodness, and I'm adding in some little fall table scatter. This is just one of those packs of leaves. You get a ton of bang for your buck with these. I was actually looking for the brown leather ones. I finally found them at the end of the DIY, but too little too late. Anyway, I'll use them in another one. But hey, it's looking pretty cute fall and festive. Again, customize this to suit whatever fall decor that you love. I love to go a little bit bright and sassy for fall. That's kind of how I'm feeling, I guess, this season. So anyway, I'm adding in some little buffalo check plaid pumpkins to hopefully break up some of my bright and sassy. And you guys can add some little cute coffee cups. I love this Hey There pumpkin cup, and then this I Love Fall sign from the Dollar Tree. And bam, we have a super fun little tiered tray. Hopefully I don't knock it all down before I share it with you guys. I love creating these. You've seen these on my channel before, but I just think that they're so fun and they really add a jazz, a pop of seasonal decor. They're great to put into the centerpiece of the table. You could throw some lights in there and boom, you guys are totally ready for fall. Loads of pumpkins, fall goodness, and I just think this is super fun. So here is how the finished look looks. I threw one of those Hobby Lobby trees behind it to give it that glowy effect. I love fall, autumn. I love these little wall pockets. Let me know what you guys have done with some of these goodies. I would love to hear what you guys are up to. And that's going to bring us to the secret question in this video. What is your favorite fall baked good? Drop a comment down below. And if you have one that you love, drop a recipe down below. I love to hear what you guys are up to baking. I just saw a really cute little recipe on TikTok where you take chocolate chip cookies and then you take a roll of the Pillsbury pumpkin pre-made cookies, press that into your chocolate chip cookie and bake those. Hopefully I can find the pre-made pumpkin cookies and I'll share that DIY with you guys. It's super easy. It looks super delicious, fun and fabulous on a budget. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to show you guys how to make a super easy Dollar Tree centerpiece. So from the Dollar Tree, I have this home sign. I decided to make it look a little bit more farmhouse chic by adding in some of this white Waverly chalk paint. You get the Waverly chalk paint from Walmart, and I'm just taking it and dabbing my brush off and then adding in some of that chalk paint. I probably will go in and maybe distress it just a little bit as well, but possibly not. I don't know. I think it looks pretty cute. So from the Dollar Tree, I grabbed one of their black and white buffalo check plaid chargers, and then I'm just using some of these florals. These are left over from season after season. I think I've had some of these florals for 5 years. I always pull my stuff apart and reuse it. I like to repurpose and reuse as much as possible. I'm layering in some little yellow florals, some green florals, some little orange florals. Most of these are from the Dollar Tree. Some of them are from Hobby Lobby and Amazon, but again, I'm just digging into my craft stash, kind of trying to really use what I already have on hand. Dollar Tree carries these cute little metal flowers as well, and I'm popping some of them in as well. And then again, just adding in some of these fun little florals. I decided to add in the home sign to the very center part of this. I think this would look so adorable on your dining room table or on your entryway table, or I might even stick it outside. I do have a covered porch, so I have a lot of options on some of the things that I can use outside. I'm just going to add a big dollop of hot glue. So this was a piece of styrofoam that I have in the center of this, and I think I've been using the same piece of styrofoam for months now. It has a lot of holes poked in it, but it's still good to go. So repurpose and reuse as much as possible. That's going to save you a little bit more bang for your buck. The home sign went on top, and then I'm adding this cute little Dollar Tree pumpkin to the center. I did end up hot gluing that to one of the flowers just so it kind of stay more steady in there. And then I added in some more little flowers, leaves, and mini pumpkins to the arrangement, just kind of playing with it as I go. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm crafting upside down and backwards to where the camera is facing me, and you guys can see my work. So sometimes I don't always see the front of my projects. This one I felt like came out pretty good for not being able to see what I was doing. And then I added some of the cute little Dollar Tree feathers to the top part. Have fun with it, get creative, add in some cute little accents, whatever suits your fancy. And always remember, when you all see me doing any type of project, you can always modify this to match your decor. I popped it in next to my little tiered light up pumpkin topiary. I love how it came out. There's so many fun ways that you guys could display this and, get creative and make it look a little bit more customized to suit your fancy. I do like to bring in a lot of black and white accents also into my home during the fall time. I just feel like it makes things look kind of cozy and fun, and it's a nice offset to the fiery colors of yellows and oranges that you're going to see for fall. So for this video, my puppy dog Benji Bear, he always loves to dress up for you guys, and today's outfit of the day, he has on a Halloween bow tie for you guys. I believe I found this at TJ Maxx. It was so adorable. I could not resist, and I know Benji Bear wants to say hello to you. He's giving you a big high five. He loves giving a good cuddle, and we're so thankful and blessed to have y'all here.
So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It's a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a budget. Listen, I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. And for everybody that comes back and loves on me and that has been along with me on this adventure, I'm hugging all of your hearts so tight. It is such a blessing and honor to have you all here. Now listen, I am hosting a $100 Hobby Lobby gift card giveaway, so don't forget to follow along here on my YouTube channel and comment down below. Let's light up this comment section with positivity. I feel like when we put out positivity, we're going to get that back into our world. So remember to do your best to be kind, especially online. We don't know what other people might be going through, and I know a lot of us have been through something in the last couple of years, so hang in there, keep putting one foot in front of the other. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials, Olivia's Romantic Home, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. We are going to be doing so much more fall and Halloween crafting and decorating, as well as Christmas is around the bend. Yep, that's right. So I love y'all. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, fabulous, blessed day. Until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.